Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where Wi-Fi adapter is missing in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to restart the computer. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out and then select restart. The next one is to update Windows. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows update tab on the list on the left hand side. Click on check for updates in the right pane. The next solution is to reset network settings. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. Go to advanced network settings, select network reset, click on network reset and then reset it. The next one is to check the network adapter status. So press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command ncpa.cpl and hit enter. This will open the network connections window. Right click on it. If it is disabled, then click on enable. The next one is to update network drivers. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for network adapters. Okay, this list is in alphabetical order. Right click on the MediaTek one and select update drivers. And the last one is to buy a new adapter. Okay, so I'll go to amazon.com. You can choose any website or store of your choice, Best Buy or anything that you want to. I am just going to show you which one to buy. Okay, so log into Amazon and then search for network adapter and hit enter. Okay, so scroll down until you find a network adapter here. This one, the TP-Link one or any similar nano adapter. Simply connect it to your system. Don't use the more complex ones, they are useless. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.